If Q is 2 and 5, anything related to 2 and 5, it is a terminating decimal. In terminating decimal, digital sum can be used. In terminating decimal, digital sum can be used. Suppose if the question is, listen carefully. Now, sir, why are we able to use a digital sum? Because 27% of 37. If question is like this, 9.69, 9.79, 9.89 and 9.99. Listen carefully. Sir, how are we able to use a digital sum? It is 27 into 37 divided by 100. What are the prime factors of 100? 2 square and 5 square. Anything denominator 2 and 5. Only 2, only 5. Only 2, only 5. 2 and its powers. 5 and its powers. Or 2 comma 5 powers. Anything which is there only of this digital sum can be used. Only of this digital sum can be used. Only of this digital sum can be used. 27, what is the digital sum? 9. 37, what is the digital sum? 1. 100, what is the digital sum? 1. 9 by 1 is 9. Answer digital sum is 9. I hope it is clear why we are using digital sum. I want a reply from Gokul, right? This concept is making him impatient and he is getting restless. Gokul beta, please reply. Gokul beta, please reply. If it is clear, other students, is it clear? Is it clear? I will do some more examples. Some more examples. You will come to know where the digital sum is used, right? Where the digital sum is not used. Please write down. Which of the following uses a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Uses or does not use a digital sum? Does not use a digital sum? Does not use a digital sum? First, we will do as many problems as possible. Write down, sir, so that you will come to know when to use a digital sum, when not to use a digital sum. One by 25, 1 by 18, 1 by 9, 5 by 13, 7 by 8. Not a single doubt you will get it. Not a single doubt you will get it. 1 by 25, 1 by 18, 1 by 9, 5 by 13, 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 8 by 29, 8 by 36. As long as the denominator is of the form power of 2 or power of 5, power of 2 or power of 5, I can use a digital sum. Here I can use a digital sum. It is 2 into 9. 9 is 3 square. Here I cannot use a digital sum. If the answer is converted into, if the fraction is converted into percentage, we cannot use a digital sum. Denominator is other than 2 and 5. Does not use a digital sum. It cannot use a digital sum if the answer is in percentage. Cannot use a digital sum because denominator is, it is 2 cube, so you can use a digital sum here. It is 2 into 3, so it cannot use a digital sum. Absolute clarity. I hope you got it right, sir. Any doubts, please ask me. Any doubts, please ask me. These videos, anything, clear or no? I want every student, I want every student who is watching the video to reply, is the concept clear? Kindly reply if the concept is clear. Concept is clear or not? There are lot of innocent teachers who are giving wrong methods to the students. Wrong methods. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it? I want everybody to reply. I am a very, very selfish person. I want my paid course students to be 2 times, 3 times ahead of others. 2 times, 3 times ahead of others. I think the way you look at the question should change. 5 by 6. Show 6 is combination of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Other than 2 and 5. It cannot be. Anybody got doubt? Anybody got doubt? Yes. Munna, if we have the power of 2, suppose always remember the golden rule. Golden rule, please remember. If a fraction is there, numerator by denominator. Numerator and denominator are co-prime. Co-prime means HCF of numerator denominator should be 1. If it is converted into X percentage, denominator other than 2 and 5, other than 2 and 5, other than 2 and 5, any prime factors if it is there, prime factors it is there, please do not apply digital sum. Do not apply digital sum. Please put a star mark, sir. Do not apply digital sum. Do not apply digital sum. If a fraction is of the form numerator by denominator, co-prime, HCF of numerator by denominator is 1. If it is percentage, do not apply digital sum if the denominator is other than 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5. No beta, Gagan, I will explain. I will explain. Good doubt you have asked. Suppose, do not tell me this question, sir. Suppose if it is 14 and 2. 2 by 14. What did I say? I said they both should be co-prime to each other. It is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So answer is 14.2857 bar. This is bar. Bar means recurring. Bar means recurring. Recurring means digital sum cannot be applied. Gagan, good doubt you have asked beta. Right? Gagan, good doubt if you asked. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 we are putting it as equivalent to 33.33. But actually it is not 33.33. If I take 33.33, if I multiply it, 1 is 3 into 33.33, it is 99.99%. But actually it is 100%. Whenever the denominator, suppose 1 by 6 is 16.67%, 16.66, it is nothing but 66 will be bar. Bar is recurring. Bar is recurring. I hope it is clear. Bar is recurring. Gagan beta, I hope it is clear. Right after the class is over, if any of your local teacher is telling you digital sum cannot be used and he is telling the class, go to the board, take a chalk piece or a marker and tell the teacher, please sit down, I will tell you the entire concept of digital sum. And tell them that I am a student of Anil Nair. Gagan, I hope it is clear beta. I hope it is clear. Not a single doubt, you should get it in my class. Absolute conceptual clarity. Clear conceptual clarity. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Is the idea clear? Say yes or no.